Go. Okay, you ready? Go get ready by the wall. Go over on the wall. No, stand up. Stand up so you can show me your jumps. Okay guys, move off to the side so we can see her. Did you get the rocket? Good job. Okay, throw it by the stairs and then show us how you can dive down again.
Come on, let's go play.
Yeah, you guys come out this way. Okay, throw it down somewhere by the stairs and then you can dive down to get it. Okay, let's see you dive down. Woo! You did. Okay, put the rocket down and then come swim over here to see me. Okay, say bye-bye.